If you're looking for the perfect gift out there, check this out. This is a little lunch box that says Hangry First Aid. Now this is very clever. You know, it kind of looks like a first aid kit, but emergency snack kit, it says in the back, and it has like the little cross, but it looks like a bite has been taken out of it. Really clever design. I love that as a little lunch box for work or for school or whatever. Again, this would be a great gift as well. I love that you can take this off so it clips on. That way you can put this like around another bag or something like that so it can easily be carried around. It has a little side pocket for a water bottle. It's like a nice mesh pocket. Throw your water bottle in there. And it has a front pocket here for just extra little things that you might have. In the main compartment here, it is actually pretty big. It's kind of nice. It's all insulated to keep your food either warm or cold, depending on what you're using. And also has another mesh pocket here to separate some things if you want to put some other things up here, maybe a sandwich or something. And then you have like all that space down there. But mainly, I just think this is the most clever design. And I think this would make it more fun to take your lunch to work or to school. And if you're on like a family vacation and you have a bunch of kids and you just put a bunch of snacks in there, it's like, yeah, the hangry, someone starts getting hangry, which means hungry and angry. I don't know if you knew that, but it's just like the emergency kit for that. Bust out the snacks. It's great. I highly recommend this. And thanks for watching.